Hi everybody, Carolyn here from Bluebirds from Indigo Blue. I'm going to do a card using the Floral Fantasy paper pack and the newly released Tulip stamp, and I'm going to use Tiger Lily, Mulberry Bush, fresh cut grass and Viridian Blue, and we'll use Versifying Clay Twilight. So let's start, and we'll stamp the tulips. There we are. There's I'm going to use the translucent paints, so it doesn't matter about going over the lines because you'll be able to see those through there. So let's water this down quite a bit. Right, so I'm going to add some water to the tulip first. Some water, and then if we dip some paint in, and then that will move and travel up into the water. Add some more paint to the bottom so it's darker at the bottom. I do the same with these other flowers. There we are. And then for the other one, I'm going to add Tiger Lily. Let's add some more water. So we can let the colours mix. So let's do the tips of the tulips orange, and then we'll use the pink then at the bottom. And then I've got fresh cut grass and Viridian Blue, which I've kind of mixed together to do the leaves. Add some more water. Let's add add some of the Viridian blue, kind of where you've got the lines for the shading for the darker areas. And then the other flower will add orange into that as well. And then pink. Add some more water. There we are. I like how it's kind of blended into the water at the top. Okay, so that needs cutting out, and I've already done one and cut one out. So, and I've also cut in between, used a scalpel and just cut in between the leaves as well. So then we'll select kind of a paper out of here. These are beautiful papers. I think that's my favourite, but I'm not sure I'd want to cut into it. So that will probably be left for some time. And that blue's gorgeous. So I've chosen these tulips, and I've already cut it out then to go on to an A6, an A6 card blank. So let's use, I think I'll just use some tape. It's such a shame to cover up these lovely papers. Put the tape on. Oops. Maybe I should have used glue because I can't get all the tape off. Oh, let's get the scalpel out. There we are. That's easier. Well, I thought it was easier, but it maybe not. There we are. the tape off. So that is beautiful paper. And then I've got this to go over the top. But what we're going to do is we'll stamp this little tulip stamp, I think, in the background. I wasn't going to use such a big, I haven't got my, oh, it's that. Here they are. Let's, oh. There you go. I've got my Slim Jims. There we are. Let's make sure it's the right way up. And then that, I think we'll put there. So, or maybe we'll do that to the left, around about there. Right. There's the right way up. Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to put that there. Oh, it's not quite straight, but let's do and then let's do second generation. And third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Do that there. That's probably enough. This is lovely as well. I've not stamped this yet. Let's have a look. That's a tulip. Let's get this bit of paper. Oh, that's nice. I'll put some of that down there. What else should we put on there? Does it need something else behind it? So I've got some sari silk, kind of green, and this one I've coloured with the Vivids. Just sprayed some water onto my glass mat, added the Vivids, and then dipped the plain sari silk in it. So it comes up really nice, and it's got a bit of a sheen to it. So I'm going to stick the flowers on with Grab and Go. Let's just add there we are. Let's just tap some of that excess off, and then it doesn't squeeze out of the bottom. There we are. Hold that down. And then we can kind of maybe put this at the... Now then, do we do green or do we do pink? I think green looks nicer. There we are. And then we'll just... all I've done is tied a knot in it. And then we'll stick that on the bottom just to add. And that's a quick card. Now let's find, let's see if I've got a blue pen. No blue pen. I've got a brown pen, and let's draw around the edges with the brown pen instead. I thought I had a blue one. No. So let's just draw a wiggly line kind of round the edge. It's better doing a wiggly line, then it doesn't look like you've messed it up if it's wiggly. There we are. So one quick card using the tulip stamp. So thank you for joining me, and hope you kind of tune in and watch the other design team members do their videos, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.